Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial in Python. Today we are going to learn how to create virtual environment in Windows. So we are going to create the Python virtual environment in Windows. We have Anaconda Python installed on my computer. I will show you how you can create a virtual environment and then install a Python library there. So we will be installing the Python requests library. To create a virtual environment in Python, you have to run the command python -m venv and then the virtual environment name. So virtual environment name is env. To create a Python virtual environment, you have to run the command python -m venv and the name of virtual environment. Usually the env name is used by the developers to create the Python virtual environment. Here you can give any name to the virtual environments. After creating the virtual environment, you have to activate the virtual environment and then install the packages, then start running your project, Python project, and finally to deactivate the environment you have to call deactivate method. So let's create the Python environment here. The command is python -m venv virtual environment and the name is env. Now it is creating the virtual environment and it's created. So you can see there is a new directory env here, and if I dir env, you can see the content of this directory. To activate the environment, virtual environment, you have to write the command env slash scripts slash activate. So activate is activate.bat file here, and you can now see that env is activated here and it appears as env, then base and your path. Now I will show you how you can install the Python requests library. Install requests requests. So it is going to install the Python requests library in my environment. So this way you can create a virtual environment for each of your projects, because each projects may have different Python libraries, and using the different virtual environments you will be able to use specific Python versions. Using the Python virtual environment, you will be able to use the different Python libraries in different projects. To deactivate, we have to type deactivate, deactivate. So now it is deactivated and now we are out, came out from the virtual environment. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.